For TraderInsight.com, this is Tom Incorvia, and welcome to my top-down trade analysis video. The information I'm about to give you is going to be pertinent for Tuesday, December the 30th. I want to start off by taking a look at the S&P 500. As you can see, no volume over the last week or so. This is expected. It happens every year. This is the holidays. Everybody's leaving. On top of that, because of how bad 2008 was, I don't think people want anything to do with it and is looking forward to 2009. So the only thing I want to illustrate here is we are sideways. We are not making any move over the last few weeks. Actually, this whole month has been a very tight trading range. Even with that, I wanted to take a look and show you one sector that does show something that's fairly interesting. The beverage and alcohol sector. As you can see with the trend lines, this is doing much more over the last couple months. It have performed much better than the overall stock market. We are starting to see some sponsorship by the institutions pushing this higher. Maybe it is because this has done so well, is because of the economy and people are drinking more. But I just think that this looks like it does want to test the top of the channel. And as usual, I took a look at the stocks that made up this subsector, and a couple of them had some very interesting chart patterns. The first one I want to take a look at is Constellation Brand, symbol STZ. Had the sell-off like everything else in September and October, but it had a fairly nice bounce here. It took out some of the resistance that it put in November, but is been kind of consolidating in this area here. I think with the overall sector moving higher, this also will go higher and probably get a few points out of this just with the strength of the subsector. But I think it's going to break to the upside. If it does break the channels that it put over the last week, I think the path of least resistance is going to be to the upside. The other one that I saw was Molson's Coors, symbol TAP. Did not have the huge sell-off like almost every other stock in the stock market. It's done okay, and I got a feeling it wants to test this gap up in this area, probably around the 52 area. So I think we got a little bit of a push here. Also with some more support with the alcoholic beverage. These two have been one of the stronger two in the subsectors, and they'll probably benefit from any continuing buying. So if anybody has any questions on the video, please feel free, drop me a note at tom@traderinsight.com.